I'm at the Wendy's in Groveport at, this is 317 and oh shoot, what is this? 317 and Groveport Road. I work here and I can't even think of where I'm at. And so about 20 minutes ago, they came over the PA and they paged everybody to go to like their meeting areas for just a group meeting or whatever. And somebody came up to me about 10 minutes later after they had their meetings, and I didn't think any of those meetings applied to me, but I guess they said that there were tornado warnings, and they were gonna have everybody just go ahead and either seek shelter or leave. So I left. You can hear the siren in downtown Groveport going off. The storm isn't actually even here yet. So we'll see what happens.